this video we will find the integral of sin square x cos square x. We know that cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x, and this can be written as 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. So sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. Also cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1. So 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. So cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. Now we will put 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 in place of this sin square x, and 1 plus cos 2x upon 2 in place of cos square x in the integral. So we have 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 multiplied by 1 plus cos 2x upon 2 dx. Then integral of, then we have 1 minus cos 2x multiplied by 1 plus cos 2x upon 4 dx. Now we will apply the formula a minus b multiplied by a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So the above integral can be written as 1 square minus cos 2x square upon 4 dx. And then we have integral of 1 minus cos square 2x upon 4 dx. Now this fraction can be written as 1 upon 4 minus cos square 2x upon 4. Now we will apply the integral on both of these fractions. So we have integral of 1 upon 4 dx minus integral of cos square 2x upon 4 dx. Now this fraction 1 upon 4 can be written in front of the integral. So we have 1 upon 4 integral of dx minus, and this 4 which is in the denominator can be written as 1 upon 4, and this can be written in front of the integral. So we have minus 1 upon 4 integral of cos square 2x dx. Now we have this formula cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. So if we put 2x in place of this x, so we have cos square 2x is equal to 1 plus cos 2 times, and we will put 2x in place of this x. So we have 2x over here. So cos square 2x is equal to 1 plus cos 2 times 2x upon 2, and after simplifying we have cos square 2x is equal to 1 plus cos 4x upon 2. Now we will put 1 plus cos 4x upon 2 in place of cos square 2x in this integral. So we have 1 upon 4 integral of dx minus 1 upon 4 integral of 1 plus cos 4x upon 2 dx. Now we will break this fraction into two fractions. So we have 1 upon 2 plus cos 4x upon 2 dx. Now we will apply this integral on both of these fractions. So we have 1 upon 4 integral of 1 upon 2 dx minus 1 upon 4 integral of cos 4x upon 2 dx. Now this can be written as 1 upon 4 integral of dx minus 1 upon 8 integral of dx, because this 2 will be multiplied by this 4. So we have 8 over here, and this 4 will be multiplied by this 2, so we have 1 upon 8 integral of cos 4x dx. Now the integral of dx is x minus 1 upon 8 integral of dx is x minus 1 upon 8 integral of cos 4x is sin 4x upon 4 plus c, where c is the constant. Integral of cos 4x is sin 4x, and we will divide this sin 4x by the derivative of this 4x. So the derivative of 4x is 4, so we have 4 in the denominator. Then after simplifying, we have 1 upon 4x minus 1 upon 8x is 1 upon 8x minus 1 upon 32. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. So we have 1 upon 32 sin 4x plus c. So the integral of sin square x cos square x with respect to x is 1 upon 8x minus 1 upon 32 sin 4x plus c, where c is the constant.